Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos. The Foam Blaster 6 foam gun is a fun and easy tool for washing any vehicle. Using the power of your garden hose, the Foam Blaster 6 foam gun creates super suds that help loosen dirt, road grime, and filth for a perfect washing experience. The innovative Foam Blaster 6 was designed for high-performance washing. Simply add 2 ounces of your favorite car wash shampoo to create exciting car wash foam. The Foam Blaster 6 foam gun makes washing any car, truck, motorcycle, boat, and RV exciting and easy. The cleansing foam created by the foam gun removes dirt, debris, road grime, and filth, while reducing the chances of marring and scratching your paintwork. The Foam Blaster 6 foam gun allows foam to creep into the tightest spots to remove dirt and grime. The durable construction is built to perform and last for years. Included with the Foam Blaster 6 foam gun is the precision spray handle that allows you to quickly rinse your vehicle with the easy-to-use trigger handle. The Foam Blaster 6 I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.